Hello students, today we are going to learn here practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. मतलब आपको फाइंड करना है examples based on what here union and intersection. Okay, so firstly we are going to use here formula to find the solution of any example. So what is the formula now here for union and intersection? Okay, so formula is what here, n of a. N of n is what? Number of elements in a plus n of b. N of b means number of elements in a b is always equal to what now here? N of a union b means number of elements in a union b plus n of a intersection b means number of elements in a intersection b. Means formula once I'll tell you what formula is here, n of a plus n of b is equal to what here, n of a union b plus n of a intersection b. यही फॉर्मूला आपको यूज करना है और कुछ एग्जांपल्स सॉल्व करने हैं. सो बिफोर दैट सॉल्विंग एग्जांपल्स लेट्स सी द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. जो भी फॉर्मूला है वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं. Okay, it is correct or not. Let's see by one proof here. Okay, what is the proof now here? Let us take one example here. Let's say A is having a set. Okay, A is a set here having elements what here? Elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and B is a set here having the elements what? Having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so A is having these elements and B is having these elements. Now let's see how many elements does the A have. Okay, A में कितने elements है? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the A there are 5 elements. So n of A is a what here? 5. Means number of elements in A. N of A is equal to what here? 5. Now see how many elements are there in a B. B में कितने elements है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total there are how many elements? 6 elements. So therefore n of b is equal to 6. Okay, n of a is equal to 5, n of b is equal to 6. We are going to prove this formula. Okay, so to prove this formula, first find a union b. पहले आपको a union b find करना है. Okay, so a union b मतलब I told. Okay, in the previous classes we learned that how to do union. Union means what? Combining all the elements of A and B. मतलब A और B में से सभी elements लिखने हैं. Okay, so B is having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So and A is having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So combine that. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, because they are in order. Okay, all the elements of B I wrote first. Then all the elements of A. 2 is here already. 4 is here. 6 is here. Now 8 and 10 will come. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the elements of B. Okay, and all the elements of A. Okay, 8 also is there and 10 also is there. Okay, 6 is here already, 4 is here and 2 is here. Okay, so this is called A union B, already learned in previous classes. Now see, in the A union B how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in the A union B there are how many elements? 8 elements. मतलब A union B में कितने elements है? 8 elements है. Okay. Now let's do intersection. Intersection का मतलब क्या है? Common elements. A और B में common elements कौन से हैं? Okay. Now see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 में common कौन से हैं? A intersection B we are finding. Common what? 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2 will come. Okay, 4 is here, 4 is here, so 4 will come. Okay, 6 is here and 6 is here, so 6 will come. I am writing the common elements, means intersection here. Okay, so n of A intersection B is what here? 2, 4, 6. अभी कितने elements है इसमें? 1, 2, 3. That's why n of A intersection B is what here? 3. मतलब इसमें 3 elements है और इसमें 8 elements है. Now let's prove the formula. LHS is what now? N of A plus N of B. So I am finding first LHS. Okay, so LHS is what now here? N of A plus N of B. Okay, N of A is what? N of A is a 5. So I wrote here 5. N of B is what? N of B is a 6. So I got here 6. Okay, so 5 plus 6 is what here 11. So we got LHS answer is what here 11. Okay, now let's find the RHS answer. Okay, n of a and b plus n of a intersection b, हमें वो फाइंड करना है आंसर. ओके, तो n of a and b plus n of a intersection b is what here RHS. Okay, now n of a and b is what, a and b में कितने एलिमेंट्स है, 8 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर. So n of a and b is what here 8. n of a intersection b is what now, a intersection b में कितने एलिमेंट्स है, 3 एलिमेंट्स है. So 3. 8 plus 3 is what here 11. So RHS is also what here 11. See, LHS is also having 11 elements and RHS is having what here 11. So means LHS is equal to what here RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS means what here, n of a plus n of b is always equal to what, n of a and b plus n of a intersection b. Okay, so always remember that when the two sets are given, then n of a plus n of b is always equal to what here, n of a and b plus n of a intersection b. Okay, instead of a and b can write x and y also. Instead of a and b can write here p and q also. Instead of a and b can write c and d also. Name will be changed. Suppose x and y is given, so it will be formula now here. अगर उन्हें x और y दिया है तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, n of x plus n of y is equal to n of x union y plus n of x intersection y. Okay, just name will change. Okay, suppose उन्हें c और d दिया है तो क्या होगा, n of c plus n of d is equal to n of c union d plus n of c intersection d. Only the name will be changed but the formula remains as it is. Formula का method तो same ही होगा. Okay, so this is what here, this is the formula we are using to solve the practical problems on a union and a intersection that will solve now. Okay, yes. So students, now we'll see one example here from your textbook, PUC first year textbook. All of you are having textbook, no? Then see the example number 23 of first chapter. Okay, first chapter is what is said in that example number 23. See what is the example number 23 is there. Okay, if the x union y has, x and y are the two sets, x and y कितने दो sets है, then x union y has how many elements, 50 elements. मतलब x union y में कितने elements है, 50 elements है. Okay, so therefore what, n of x union y is what here 50. Second line is what now here, second line is what, x has how many elements, 28 elements. मतलब x में कितने elements है, 28 elements है. So n of x is equal to what here 28. Okay, then y has how many elements, 32 elements. मतलब y में 32 elements है. That means what, n of y is what here 32. And what they asked, then find the number of elements x intersection y has. मतलब n x intersection y में कितने elements है, means you are finding n of x intersection y. Okay, so x and y are the two sets, union is given, n of x is given, n of y is given, you are finding about intersection. So instead of a and b, we are using what, x and y. So formula is what now here, formula is what, n of x plus n of y is equal to what, n of x union y plus n of x intersection y. Okay, n of x plus n of y is equal to n of x union y plus n of x intersection y. Same, instead of a and b, we are using x and y here. Okay, now let's see, n of x is what now here, n of x is 28. So n of x is what here 28. n of y is what now here, n of y is given 32. Y has means n of y. Okay, n of y is what here 32. Okay, now n of x union y, x union y is having how many elements, 50. And what you are finding, n of x intersection y. So you keep this as it is, आपको वैसे ही रखना है. Okay, now let's see here, 28 plus 32, how much, if you add that, the answer is what here 60. 28 plus 32 is a 60, and this plus 50 by transferring this side, So whenever we transfer plus this side, it will become minus. Therefore plus will become what here, minus 50. So addition of 60 minus this 50 is equal to x intersection y. Okay, 60 minus 50 is what here, 10. So therefore n of x intersection y is what here, 10. मतलब n of x intersection y में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं, 10 एलिमेंट्स है. Okay, so this is the method we are finding how many elements are in n of x intersection y. Okay, similarly we can use here this formula for n of x union y also. Okay, let's see some more example of this here. Okay, thank you. Now let's see the next example number 24. Okay, in the textbook example number 24. What is that here? In the school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Okay, whenever all will come, it is a union. Whenever and will come, it is a intersection. And or both. Okay, जब भी वो बोलेंगे और, it is called what? Union. So 20 teachers teach physics or mathematics or physics. So mathematics or physics means M union P, or means union mathematics or physics. How many are there? 20 teachers are there. So therefore n of M union P is what there, 20. Okay, now in the same school there are only mathematics teacher. Okay, how many teach mathematics here? N of M is given there, 12. 12 teachers teach mathematics. Okay, and 4 teachers teach both mathematics and physics. मतलब 4 ऐसे टीचर्स है कि वो दोनों टीच करते हैं, मैथमेटिक्स और फिजिक्स भी, both means they are common no, whenever common will come into the intersection. Okay, so both means M intersection P. Both means what here, M intersection P. This will be common. How many are there? 4 are there. So I am telling always here, whenever or will come, it is called what? Union. Whenever both will come, then it is a intersection. Okay, so M is over, M union P is over, n of M is over, n of M since P is over. So how many teachers teach physics? This is a question here. Means n of P is equal to what? This is the question of this number 24. Okay, now let's see the answer here. Same, instead of A and B, we are using what? M and P. Correct? So n of M plus n of P is equal to n of M union P plus n of M intersection P. Okay, now see here, n of M is already given, it is a 12. N of P should keep as it is. Okay, n of M union P is what here, 20, so 20. n of M intersection P is what here, 4. Common कितने हैं? 4. Okay, now see, 20 plus 4, 24. This 12 transfer this side, minus 12. 24 minus 12 is what here, 12. So n of P is also what here, 12. Means 12 teachers teach what here, physics. Okay, so whenever such type of examples will come, okay, both or, then use what here, union and intersection. Practical problems on union and okay, let's see the next example. So friends, let's see the next example here. The example is what here, there are total 35 students in a school. Okay, total कितने students है? 35 students are there. Means that's why I wrote here n of u is what here, 35. Total is given, or is not told, you know here. So total there are 35 students. Whenever total is given, it is n of u. Okay, now how many students like to play cricket? Okay, there are 24 students like to play cricket. How many students like to play football? There are 16 students like to play what here, football. Okay, and how many students like to play each of the game? Each of the game means what? Either cricket or football. Okay, so या तो क्रिकेट खेलेंगे या तो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे. Each of the game means, okay, each of the game means cricket or football. Whenever or will come, okay, there is what here, union. So out of 35 total, how many? 35 students are playing cricket or football. Means C union F is what here, 35. Okay, now what are you finding? Okay, how many students like to play cricket and football both? Okay, कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं कि जिनको क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल भी खेलना है, वो खेलते हैं. Okay, so see what C intersection F. Both they are plane means it is a intersection. Okay, so how to find? I told the formula, practical example I told here from A and B. Instead of A and B, C and F we are using there. Okay, so very simple form is what? N of C plus N of F is equal to N of C union F plus N of C intersection F. Okay, so see what is given here. N of C is given how much? 24. N of F is given here 16. N of C union F is given what? 35 plus N of C intersection F should find out that. Okay, now 24 plus 16 how much here? 40, and this plus 35 goes inside minus 35. Okay, so 40 minus 35 is what here? 5. So 5 students likes to play cricket and football both. So commonly there are 5 students who plays the cricket and football. Okay, so these are some examples about the practical problems on union and intersection. Using union, using intersection, how to find the practical examples. Okay, yeah. So in the next class we'll see the some more examples of these here. Okay, thank you.